Phosphorus needs to move on so the planet can live on. But how does it happen? We'll show you how.
Good morning, everybody. It is early. It's like 6 o'clock. I couldn't sleep, so I'm up. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're being safe. I need my coffee today. All right. Here is our agenda for the day. We are working on slides again. Those slides, those guided notes are on the phosphorus cycle. So you'll learn a little bit about the phosphorus cycle. A couple days ago, you went through the carbon cycle. Yesterday, you looked at the nitrogen cycle, and today you'll be looking at the phosphorus cycle. So the way phosphorus moves through our environment, where it moves, how it moves, do we need it? Do we affect this cycle as humans? Is there some way we're abusing this cycle? Which is usually yes, but I'm going to let you check that out. So there are slides, and then the DOL, once again, is the handout I gave you yesterday. I'm not going to post it again here because then it would be a different copy. So you're opening up the copy from yesterday, and you are continuing it. Now, it looks like this. Some of you have messaged me and said, I don't get it. And I tried to explain sort of the directions in different ways, but then I started to look at it this morning, and I realized that I'm guessing the reason, I'm just taking a guess here, the reason maybe you don't understand some of this is because you're not looking at the slides as closely as maybe you should be, or you're not looking at diagrams of these three cycles. So if you had up on your screen, on your tabs, if you had a good diagram of the carbon cycle, a good diagram of the nitrogen cycle, and a good diagram of the phosphorus cycle, you would see all these things. You would see a picture of trees getting cut down, and you would know what cycle to fill in here. Human waste processing, factory emissions. Hopefully you know that the carbon cycle is involved in that, but is there anything else involved in that? So you want to look at the diagrams of the three cycles and look at the slides, read through them again if you have to, and you'll see these things. Agriculture, you'll see farms, fertilizers, you'll see those words when you're looking through some of these cycles. So I'm going to guess that it's not super tricky. It's more along the lines of having to go back and really look at those slides and to do a little research on your own and bring up a few images. Go to YouTube. YouTube has 1 million. I just started showing you the beginning of a phosphorus cycle video, right? There's tons of them, right? And then there's the normal people. There's the con, and there's the Bozeman science. So you could look at those too. So that is the handout. I want you to continue and finish that. The slides I don't have to show you too much of, like I do. I just bring them up so you can see them and so you can see the name of them. So we're looking at the phosphorus cycle here. Our objective is to be able to explain the phosphorus cycle and how phosphorus moves through our environment. You'll see all the different speaker notes. There are some speaker note questions down bottom. So please keep an eye on those and answer those, okay? What else? Don't forget this lovely sheet here, daily attendance. You got to sign out every day. You got to sign in every day, rather. I'm sorry. Make sure you're doing that. What else do I have for you? I don't think I have anything else for you today. I just wanted to sort of set you straight on that handout that you're continuing to work on. Just a heads up now, it doesn't really have to get into your head too much, but there will be a test on Friday. So tomorrow will be one more wrap-up slide thing. And then Thursday there will be a review slides. So the review slides will be available for you. And then, of course, we'll go live and we'll talk about it. And then Friday I will assign your quiz. But we'll talk about that more later. I want you to stick to the day. Don't get stressed. Again, hopefully I'm making it a little bit easier on you by not overwhelming you with work, but still giving you a lot of good information. 5 seconds left, so I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm not sure how, but I'll let you know.